Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on the navigation and use of the Buyer Insights portal powered by the Registria platform and Tableau software. This report is called the Registrations Change Analysis. It gives you a year-over-year performance by month, volume, and percent change summary of registration activity. It gives you a visual representation of trends in a monthly format, so you're getting the y-axis being total volume represented by the height of the bar. You're getting the year being analyzed and the month along the x-axis here. And it's important to note that for each pane, essentially as this analysis grows and we have activity spanning more than 2 or 3 or 4 years, those years will be represented for each month down in this axis. And what you'll see is you have an average line, so that will show you an average volume over time for that month. So it's important to note for seasonal trending. What you're also getting in this visualization as you mouse over would be total registration volume as well as percent change versus the year prior. So like we saw in our executive dashboard or registration summary view, we're again getting our percent change year over year, but now we're seeing each month year over year stacked together to understand comparatively, very visually, where we are versus where we were. And what you're also getting for each period here would be the percent change year over year being called out in the label for the bar. Down below, we're getting year-to-date volume and change by registration source. So as you saw in your first view, we had a pie chart representation of source. Now we've got the alpha name of the source as well as the year-to-date volume for the period selected. And so if I was to collapse this or change it, let's call this January 1st, 2014 through, let's go back to December 2014. What we're seeing is now 1 year. The entire view has changed, but I'm getting a summary of all of my data for the year. And if I wanted to understand how that looked just for a single source, I can call that out individually, as well as if I wanted to understand what does that activity look like for one particular brand or another, I can simply select my brand. I can expand this back out to do my comparative analysis year over year and very quickly understand exactly what my business has done for this period. So I hope that helps you understand very quickly exactly what this dashboard does for you. It's a very powerful tool designed to be used very quickly to get you summary information you need to make decisions. If you have any further questions, please contact your Client Success Manager. Thanks for watching.